Hello, I'm doing a review for LED flashlight, multi-function focus adjustable flashlight for outdoor sport, explore, home lighting, car, emergency escape, window breaker, and survival torch. This is an awesome flashlight. It uses an LED bulb. The lens is glass. It does extend, and there is an orange anti-slip waterproof button. Whenever it is extended, it is like a square, just kind of backwards, and then when you push it in, it widens the area so you can have it, different. The handle is like acrylic rivets for good grip. This is actually made for a window breaker, for like a car to break the window, and it is waterproof, shockproof. There is a protective sleeve, which you really can't see, around the bulb to avoid damage to the LED bulb. It's a little under 6 inches when it's extended, and it's a little under 5.5 inches like this. It does have the wrist strap. You can take it off if you don't want it. Let's see what else. The 5 light modes are high, medium, low, strobe, and SOS. You do that by turning that on and then turning the head of it. It's got some weight to it, but it's overall lightweight. It is impact resistant and made from lightweight, high-grade aluminum alloy materials that resist rust and corrosion. So this is like the flashlight of all flashlights. Waterproof, shockproof, anti-resistant, no corrosion, everything. It's awesome. It is made by XNUCOL. Don't know if you pronounce that or what, but I'm not going to try. But great little flashlight. So thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe.